Welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new limited edition 60th anniversary Turbo Panther. This here is an RC car that literally is a blast from the past, in which they actually brought a brand new version from Nikko. So if you want your very own, check out the link down below in the description. Now, I'm really excited to go ahead and drive one of these cars just because I actually had one of these as a child. So driving it again should be quite fun. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so this here's our box of the Turbo Panther 60th edition, limited edition Pro. Actually, it's a lot of different words, but you can actually see how cool this thing looks. One of the big key distinctions of this particular RC car is the spiky tires and the cool looking suspension. Over here it says a 1/14 scale, and it shoots at over 15 kilometers, so about 9.3 miles per hour. It's got a turbo mode, and then again, you know, it's made by Nikko, and it's a 2.4 gigahertz. Now it says it does require a USB as well as 3 AA's, and you can actually see the car through the casing itself. As we work our way around the box itself, on the back here, it kind of talks about a little bit more in difference. So it says that it can work in water, dirt, even snow. And then over here it just shows the different things that it comes with. So it's got a suspension, and then that's about it. And since that, it does show a picture of the car right over here, as well as the controller. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like underneath. Alright, so this is everything that it comes with. So we have a warranty information, and then we have an instruction manual. It says Turbo Panther 60th anniversary. Kind of talking about how to go ahead and set this thing up, putting the batteries in terms of like troubleshooting, so on and so forth. So it's actually pretty cool stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at the car itself. Now, this here's the remote. It's actually got a very interesting look to it, almost like an old, like 90s kind of feel to it. So you got this weird grill looking figure over here that's green, and you got these orange triggers. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward controller. So you got up and down, left and right, and that's about it. Now your AA's go in here, and then this here is the RC car itself. Wow, that thing looks really cool. Some things that I noticed right away, it's got these cool looking fog lights with smiley faces on it. It's got that big spoiler over there, and it's got these cool looking tires with like almost like spiky kind of tread. And the suspension itself, you got one spring on the backs for the active suspension, so you can see the movement right there. And then you got the 2 suspensions on the front. You can actually see how much recoil it has. So that's actually pretty interesting. And then it's got this cool looking like almost like a roll cage that's going throughout the whole entire body. Now it's got a nice black, orange, green 3-tone color to it. And then on the bottom here we have the spot where the battery goes into. So let's go ahead and open that up. There you go. So that just kind of switches over, and then this will open up the battery case. So we just go ahead and charge it by directly plugging in this USB right here into the wall, and that's kind of how it works. So it doesn't really have a battery that comes out separately. Everything seems to be plugged into it, which is pretty nice and more convenient. So you can see that this is the USB right here. The battery's inside, so you don't actually see the battery physically. And then this is our on-off switch right over here. We have our wheel alignment over here as well. And then literally just go ahead and put it back in, and then you're all set and ready to go. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take this bad boy outside and give it a test run. Alright, so in terms of movement goes, it's quite straightforward. So you have a forward as well as a reverse. And then we have a turn button right over here. And overall, I mean, it's going to be quite easy to drive, as you can probably tell. It's not as fast as some of the other RC cars we've driven, but for its classic nostalgia, it's actually really cool. And overall, I think it's actually a great RC car nonetheless. It definitely brings back a lot of memories, and I think it's actually a great piece altogether. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.